Today, we're adding the RGB split effect, a glitchy digital style look that separates the red, green, and blue channels in your footage. It's super easy to do. Let's check it out. First, open your project in InShot and tap on the clip you want to apply the effect to now. Head down to the bottom menu and tap Effect. Make sure you're actually in the Effect tab. Next, go to the glitch category and scroll until you find the effect called RGB. Once you select it, you'll see a value slider at the bottom. Slide it from 0 to 100 to control how strong the RGB split appears. Higher values give you more dramatic separation of the colors. You can also drag the effect layer in the timeline to make it last longer or shorter. And that's it. You've successfully added the RGB split effect in InShot to give your video a bold, glitchy style. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick InShot editing tutorials.